Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to change your email ID in GoDaddy. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and go into the official website at godaddy.com right here. That's going to open up this new main page right here of the GoDaddy website, where in the upper right corner we can get started logging into our account. So go ahead and log into your account if you do not already have one. Just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where we can get started finding a domain name for our business. We can see all the products and services we can access and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see how we can change our email ID that we are using for our profile on GoDaddy. The first thing we want to do is go ahead and click on our username right here in the upper right corner. That's going to open up this new drop down menu with all the options we can access, and one of those options is called account settings. So you want to go ahead and open up account settings. After opening up account settings guys, now we can get started with changing our account email ID. So let's go ahead and scroll down until we find email right here. So you can see here is our email that once we click, as you can see, it's going to open up this new page where we can see our email address, and what we can do is go ahead and type out the new email that we want to use. So after you type out your new email guys, you will have to go ahead and confirm it and verify it, and after verifying it guys and getting your code, it will be used as your new email ID for your profile. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.